All right, we're back another day. We have the parts for the bike. Got the forks. Picked up, I think these are headset bearings. And we're gonna put it all together. All right, we're just gonna use this bottom piece, because on this one, it's on there pretty good and I don't want to take it off. I guess we'll use the new bearing too. No, actually I'm going to use this old bearing because it's more greased up. I'll just clean it before I put new grease on it. You know what? I might have to use this other bearing because it's a little different. No, it should be like the same, huh? Oh, it is a little different. I'm gonna use the original. Bearing towards this.
What?
The bagel bites.
Of course they're good. Why wouldn't they be good? They're great.
They're actually really good.
All right.
Last sugar? Ooh. I don't know if I like this spot. Definitely not.
Ho ho ho! How does that look?
Ooh.
It's perfect. It fits
does
perfect.
Look perfect. Cool.
Get this, all the hardware off.
You're like hardcore cleaning today.
I need cutters. I need something to cut.
Should I go look for one?
No.
Oh shoot. Was that where it leaks right there? Should I leave that there? Do you want me to go get you a razor blade?
It's free. Huge difference. Very cool. Look, I got this one stuck on here. That's why the other one was seemed impossible to get off.
Mm-hmm.
only Harbor Freight can sell you something new and it looks used out of the box. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly 7 inches. That makes my life really easy. That makes my life easy.
Good. I like it when your life is easy.
Alright, this is it.
Would we need to hold this?
Yeah. You can hold it the other way too, but yeah. Either way. I'm starting to see something again. I'm not even in the right spot.
What?
Look, I'm not even... I'm supposed to be right there, not there. What I need is a file. Can we hold it? Are you seeing results down there?
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Looks good, my love.
Oh, the tool. Alright, so I figured what I'd do with this tool, since it doesn't come with directions, is just check the depth of it.
Check the depth of it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to check the depth of it this way. Because this will tell me how far it's down. Yeah, it's all the way down, basically. So what we do, just like this. Seems sketch, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Very.
That's it. Just like that. Just like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because it was like slightly over, just like that too. Wow. It looks like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
No, it's exactly. See?
Oh, okay, okay.
I checked the depth of it.
All right, all right.
Right?
That's what I'm talking about.
That's so cool.
That is so cool.
We did that, love.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna put the stuff on it. Hey. Okay. See this.
The lube.
Of course, it needs to be cut.
Oh man. You're really putting that butter knife to the test, eh? Come on, butter knife. You got this.
Of course.
Oh my goodness gracious.
That's not even.
Oh, I did it.
Okay. I have no idea how much is supposed to go on here. So I'm putting a nice amount and it can squeeze out, you know?
Yeah. Hey, Kyle. Kyle.
Yeah, what the?
Come here.
Alright.
Do you think we need any more lube?
No, that should be good. That should be plenty.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wait,
so you,
I'm gonna-
so you loop that up, you shouldn't have a problem.
I mean, there's not many choices and there's a whole lot of choices at the same time. If that makes sense. You know, there's like a few Amazon choices. But overall, of course, they make a bajillion. A good maintenance. It's like nobody ever does this. Well, let me take it off, clean my bearings, and repack it.
Right.
You know, for season. Said nobody. I'm gonna have enough grease. You don't worry.
You got grease.
You don't worry about that. I can't believe this is actually gonna.
This is so dope.
It's actually going on right now.
Love it.
Can you put this to the side?
Yes.
We hold it up. I honestly don't remember how this all goes back together. Okay, I got that one piece.
I might have moved a little.
Time. Let me check the angle. Yeah, it's to the right. So this, keep this exactly straight if you can.
Okay.
And then this goes off the right side like this, it looks like.
Oh, and that's what's connecting that bolt that you put in there.
This one goes on the top. Will you, or you can let go, watch that. Look at that.
How cool. I love it.
Looks so good. Look at that.
Wow.
And it's like butter too. With the new grease in there. Feels very good.
fit.
I don't know what the torque on these is supposed to be. There we go. Oh, not that. Holy moly. That was like way easy to torque down.
Does that bottom piece come off?
Does what bottom piece come off?
This right here? Oh, yeah. It's like a plastic piece. Like, it's so crazy how Rad Power Bike doesn't offer this.
Right? Like how it's not.
Like, how? Especially when it's, like, needed.
I bet one of their other forks do work, but I didn't feel like just testing it out. All right, let me see that wheel over there.
Yes, sir.
Let's get this thing off the ground. Will you lift the front?
Lift it?
Mm-hmm. All right, well, it looks like this doesn't fit. Need to get a new axle for the front wheel that's a little longer. Do it just like that and flip it. Let's flip it back. Wow, it looks really good though. Oh, that's gonna be so good. There's that new one right there. Yeah. I need that rubber back. It's not the... Uh-oh. I need to pull this up. We gotta pull. Wasn't this the original one? Or the one I handed you? No, this is the original one.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look like the original.
Oh, it doesn't? What did the original look like?
Just black.
No, I'm talking about this nut.
Oh.
Pretty sure. At least you got a backup to look at one.
I know, right?
That way you don't mess anything up.
Mm-hmm.
I need a new axle. It's not long enough. I can't close this right here.
Really?
Yeah, it's like wide open as much as I can.
So you need a longer one. Oh, because of the fork. That's why. That fork's skinnier right here. And in both these spots, it pushed it up probably like that much more that you need, you know? Yeah, see how this is? And then that fork, there's like that much more of a gap on both sides. So that's why it's not closing. It just needs a longer bolt.
Where do you get one of those?
You can always just get a longer one to whatever you want.
Right, yeah, because it's just
and threaded too, you know, yeah. Pretty much. That's how you really do, like you do with your fork, how you cut that piece off of it, you know. Fork's not tight.
I loosened those for no reason when I was taking it apart.
Oh, the handlebar.
Damn.
Just so you know. Is it pretty stiff, the shock?
No, it's not at all. Just be careful, because I wasn't really trying hard at all. This came out. Oh, actually, I think that's just a gauge to see how far you're going down on it.
Oh,
so you can gauge if you need to tighten it or loosen it. You see what I'm saying?
Oh, wow.
Like, yeah. It pushes it down, and if it's maxing or getting too low, you tighten it up.
Oh, I gotta, the handlebars, we gotta unloosen them. Because it kind of like bent them. I don't want to push them back up and strip them.
I think it was like right there.
I'll hold it while you do that. You can pretty much tell when you like ride it, you know, when you start riding it again.
I need a new headset or whatever, a
Oh,
new
the
one of
Allens.
these. Just a different type, because this is just a terrible design with very weak aluminum.
I like the light on the front.
Will you hold it?
Yes.
I gotta get a longer one of these as well. Longer,
Yeah, because
it's not long enough. Yeah, see, they're opposite side mounted. This is mounted on one side. This one's on the other.
Oh, for the fork right here, for the brake.
Yeah.
Okay, I see what you're saying. And was there one on here? No.
Well, it's just mounted the opposite way. That's why you take this little bracket out of this. Oh, yeah, break my nail. It's gonna be slightly bigger than this thing right here. This thing right here, because it's like my template. Alright, so we'll make one of these. It's a little bit thicker than this.
It's like too much for it. Or too less. You know?
Yeah, that's not, because then I can't tighten it.
Yeah, with the wheel. Because the wheel on it too, it's not like it's gonna expand it out either, so I don't get why it's not working.
Should we try it one more time? Go ahead. Push it down. Boom. Thank you.
Yeah, it's only because of that gap in that fork. Like right here and right here compared to on this one, like that much, where you're able to still screw it in. And it's in there too. See what I'm saying? Because I guarantee if you measured up that one, it's like a little bit different.
Hold that one for me. We're gonna say 5 3/4.
Like if this thing wasn't here and it was skinny right here and right here, I guarantee it'd work. But since there's like a gap thing, like how this is so thick, you know, and how
is there no plastic in there?
I don't think there is.
No, a thick boy. Just a thick boy. Just gotta get a longer one of these somehow. Just gotta. I'm sure they gotta have it out there.
Yeah, because you gotta have one that locks the front wheel, you know, because you're gonna want to take off the front wheel sometime, you know.
Alright, I'm gonna measure this out. Looks like 155 millimeter. Oh shit, that don't look good.
It's a lot of lube.
I was saying that it doesn't look good is look at all the bearings in there. They look like they're like just falling. Alright. I hold this for a second. Just had to finger it a little bit. Let me get the inner diameter. I guess I don't know what that would be. These are like cheap bearings. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is replacing these bearings with like closed bearings, like skateboard. You know what I mean? Skateboard bearings. All right.